Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today I will show you a violet smoky eyes on a very clear skin. As we have a model with a very sensitive skin, I'm beginning the makeup by cleansing the skin with Micell cleansing water, and I'm hydrating the face with Hydrating Primer. She has some rednesses and the primer helps to prevent the irritation. I will moisturize the lips with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. I'm also refining the pores in the T-zone with Poreless Gel to smooth the skin appearance. I'm working with Longwear foundation in a yellowish shade 2Y25. It's a very clear shade and it's covering very good the rednesses. I will work with HD Pro Concealer in shade N15. I will highlight the middle of the face. With a darker neutral shade, I will contour the face. I'm contouring under the cheekbones and also the both sides of the forehead and of the chin. And I'm contouring also the nose, going to the eyebrows for more deftness. I also like very much to add shadow in the crease of the eyes. For a more smoother and matter skin finish, I'm powdering the skin with HD loose powder. I actually love the result of the powder, it's looking like a soft focus effect. I'm warming up the skin with Velvet Matte Bronzer in shade DIVA. I will add a little bit freshness with the shade Butterfly. It's a beautiful blush for more lighter skin tones. I'm applying the shade also in the crease of the eyes and a little bit over the forehead to have more harmony on the face. I will highlight now the middle of the face and over the cheekbones with Pearl Pigment Sensation. This pigment is really fine and it gives the skin a natural glow without seeing the glitter particles. I'm brushing the eyebrows with a comb and I will fill now the gaps with Eyebrow Cream Gel in shade Cool Top. I'm working with less product as I don't want to have an overloaded result. As eye primer for my smoky eye look, I'm applying Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade LL10 Amethyst. I'm working first in outer corner, going to the crease of the eyes, and then I'm blending everything very well. I'm working on the lower lid with the same color. I'm applying it across the lid and I'm blending it with a brush. To create more deftness and also more intensity, I'm applying cream gel liner in shade Espresso. I'm blending the color to the outer corner of the eyes. I will use also cream gel liner on the waterline and inner corner. I will apply now Pearl Pigment in shade Ultraviolet. I'm applying the color in outer corner of the eyes, in the crease and also on the lower lid. To smooth the edges and to blend the color, I will use Pearl Pigment in shade Gold Pink. For more catchy effect, I'm using on the eyelids Duochrome pigment in shade Twilight. The color is very nice, it's going into the blue and also violet, and it makes the look more glamorous. For the lips, I'm using Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Lavender. I'm applying first over the lips with a lip brush, and then I'm trying to blend the color very well to make a very soft result. I will apply a small amount of HyE Rich Lip Conditioner to soften the lips. The makeup is ready now, so you can see the before and the after. I hope you liked it today and this fashionable eye look. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!